Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Today I'll be sharing tips and ideas on productive things you can do during this lockdown. There are people that they are not offering essential services, and their job does not require them to work from home. So they are wondering, okay, what can I do during this period? I don't want to just waste this moment. I don't want to just let it go now like that. So there are a few things you can do during this lockdown to improve yourself. One, exercise. You've been procrastinating, you've been complaining and making excuses of not being able to go to the gym because of your nature of job. Now no one is going to work, so now is the time to not make excuse and just start doing that exercise. There are simple routine exercises you can do that will help you improve your health. You can jog around, walk around the compound, walk around the streets, maybe 30 minutes each day, and at the end of the whole lockdown you would see that there has been improvement in the way your body is. Number two, read a book. There are a lot of people that they have hundreds of books on their phone, and even uncountable books in their on their table or in their shelf, and they've been saying, okay, they've been postponing. My next holiday I'm going to read this book. During Easter break I'm going to read this book. Now is the time to pick up that book. Dedicate 1 hour every day to read, even if it's a page in the book. Just get started, read that book. You'll find out that at the end of everything you will have read maybe like 2-3 books, and even 4 books, depending on how dedicated you are to this goal. Number 3, take an online course. You can learn anything and everything online now, that you don't even have to go to a physical school. So if you want to improve your skill, you want to get a new certificate, now is the time to learn that skill and get a new certificate that at the end of the day it can lead to your promotion and even lead to you getting a new job because of that simple step. So there are online platforms that offers free courses that you can take, and even the paid version, the paid platforms that as little as $29 you can take a course and even get certificate for it. Number 4, learn a new language. This is the time where people are making money as translators all over the world. You can set a goal that, okay, during this period of 7 days or 14 days, as the case may be, I want to learn a new language. I want to improve, or you know little, maybe just beginners knowledge of a language. Now is the time to improve that language. So there are courses online as well that you can take. There are apps that will help you in the process of learning a new language or improving the language that you know already. Number 5, learn a new skill. There are people that want to improve their baking skills, their cooking skills, or they just want to learn how to do simple DIY at home. Now is the time to learn that skill. If you know someone that knows about that skill, you can just call them and say, oh chap, let's do a video call and teach me this particular thing that I want to learn for a long time. So you can just do that. You will see that at the end of the day you will have gotten something that, okay, even if it will now require you, after the whole thing is gone, for you to go to have a physical meeting with the person, but you will have learned the basics of the skill. Number 6, start a side hustle. Some people don't have a life after their normal 9-to-5 job. Now is the time to start a side hustle. There are different things you can do without leaving your house. You can start a business online. If you are not that type, you can start an offline business. You can think of, this is the time to put down ideas and say, okay, what business can I start during this period? So just start a side hustle. If you have one already, now is the time to build it to a point where it will be a main hustle. Number 7, bond with family. There are people that they don't know what they've lost track of what is happening in their partner's life, in their children's life, in their brother's life. Now is the time to catch up with whatever everyone has been up to play games together, talk together, just bond. Now is the time to bond with everyone in your family. There is no excuse, no one is going anywhere, no one say, oh, I have a meeting at so time. With your family. If you have any other tip or ideas people can use to improve themselves in this period, you can comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Catch you.